Hey class, I hope you have had an excellent long weekend. I know I've had a great weekend. I've enjoyed getting to spend some time with my family and get caught up on a few things. For this week for language arts, our focus is going to be on some environmental print, which is the words that we see around us. Our focus is going to be on the names of our close family and friends. So at school, I have made a word wall, or we have made a word wall that has all of our classmates' names, including those kids who are learning from home. And so we are practicing reading those names, using them in our stories or things like that, and we're going to be using them all year. So I am encouraging you with this week's activities to get used to seeing your friends' names and also to add some of your family's names to your list of names that you can read and recognize, as these will play a key role in our letter writing this year and in some of the stories that we write. So I am excited to hear about your progress towards our weekly goals of recognizing our friends and family's names. And we're going to continue to work on rhyming words and on learning our letters and sounds. Be sure to watch the other videos that teach the letters and sounds with their signals. That has really helped all of my students learn their letters and sounds. And there's my dog. Anyway, have a great week. Bye.